All right, first time using the Milwaukee fuel saw, top handled saw. Okay, I've got a 6 amp hour battery in there, and I have some old posts here that I pulled out of the ground, and I want to see how far the rot goes up to see if I can keep using them for other required things, like maybe a shorter fence or maybe a brace or something like that. So let's see how this thing goes. It's pretty damn quick. Of course, might still be some rot in here, but it looks pretty good actually. Let's look at this side here. Yeah, you can see how rotted out that end is there. Not sure how much more I want to go up. Maybe I'll go up a couple more inches and see if there's still that kind of that punky wood there. Wow, that thing cuts really well. Yeah, it seems to be more solid now. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, that's how rotten that is. Well, maybe I'll stop there. It looks pretty good. But I'm going to cut one more of these, and I think that'll be the end of the test here. This one feels more solid. How's that camera angle look there? Let's move it over here a little bit. All right, let's cut this one here. It's still a little kind of bad right in there. One thing I just noticed, I didn't notice this at first, but I didn't realize the trigger was adjustable. So you could have it crawl. I always thought it was just on or off. So interesting. Tried using the dogs a little bit more there to kind of cut through it, and the dogs seem to do a good job. They're nice and sharp. And there's oil, of course. There's bar oil in there, of course. Make sure you check that first. But yeah, I mean, not bad for a 6 amp hour battery. I think I might call that one good too. So it kind of adds to my post collection here. Never have enough posts on a farm, right? We'll see you next time.